which is a direct consequence to the auditors, the internal auditors in the county, and another one is unintended consequences, whereby in counties, the issue of accountability will be something which would be left for the auditors now to come out and point out and say, you should have done A, B, C, D, because the internal auditors will not have enough money to be able to sit in and audit the accounts of the county to help that county maintain accountability. So I think we need to ask ourselves, are we just sending money because of, of population, because of poverty index, because of roads access index, or are we also following this money to ensure that this money is actually utilized effectively? Today, Madam Speaker, if you look at all the 47 counties, there is not a single county that doesn't have pending bills. And you ask yourself, why do these counties have these pending bills? The counties have pending bills because of these bloated budgets. Narok County is receiving 9.1 billion, which is slightly above what it received in the last financial year, of around 8.8 billion. But now, I think for us, and where we need to sit down with this county assembly, is to ensure that they only, first of all, budget for that 9.1 billion, they remove the recurrent expenditures and the development expenditure, and then now they shift all their burden into the ONSO's revenue game. We have a huge capacity and capability of raising more money, but the problem is we do not like to build systems which enhance accountability. If you build systems that are clearly defined by our spatial plans, by our own source revenue streams, Madam Speaker, our counties will not be crying, our counties will not be saying we are shutting down because money is not coming. They will be relying on the own source revenue. So I think, Madam Speaker, this Senate today ought to start considering these own source systems that can be able to ensure us, so that when I sit in this desk, I can go into my phone and I can say, how much is Narok County collecting today? But you will find that most county governors will not want that. In fact, Madam Speaker, when the Controller of Budget attempts to get information about how money is being spent in the county government, the county governors go up in arms. They say, no, you are trying to control us. We are not trying to control you. All we are calling for is accountability. So, Madam Speaker, this money, although it's a very minimal increase from the previous financial year, I do hope, Madam Speaker, that the money will actually go to counties.